Whether you wear makeup or not, you want your skin and especially your lips to look hydrated. The Lip BH Lip Balm does exactly that for you. It hydrates, it moisturizes, it has a little tint, it gives you that freshness that your face needs. BH means actually is that all your lips or everybody's lips has a different or have a different pH level. The balm reacts with your pH levels and gives your lips a unique tint, and it smells good. So obviously you use it on your lips like a lipstick, so the best way to apply this directly on your lips. It hydrates and moisturizes and gives you a little hint of color. Just make sure if you're going to wear lipstick after to let the lip balm sink in and moisturize your lips first for a little while before you wear the lipstick. What I love about it, it gives you a unique tint to every girl and to every lip, and it hydrates and makes you young and fresh.